What up, YouTube? Your boy Richie Barber, aka Fadedblendz, coming at you with another video. This video is gonna be trimmer review. So without further ado, so the people out at SupremeTrimmer sent me out a package to provide a review for you guys. So we're gonna get in. All right, y'all. SupremeTrimmer unpackaging. Already opened it up. Right out of hand. Built with the shipping and handling. Nice good layer of bubble wrap. Top. Super dope packaging of the item itself. Shiny, eye-catching. Super dope, man. Super dope. And then more bubble wrap. All right, y'all. We're gonna get into it. Again, super cool packaging. There we go. All right, so it's cool. Comes with a little protector on top. I think the guards are supposed to be in there, but that's cool. 2 mm, 3 mm, 2 mm, and 1 mm. That's super cool. Nice little brush to clean them up. Now what's super cool is you can either charge them USB or plug it straight into your wall. Whatever one works for you. I'll probably keep this for the house and then use this one for when I'm on the go and just bring a USB port with me. It's a good way to do it right there. All right. Comes with a dope little charging dock, SupremeTrimmer. Dope little bottle clipper oil. That's not why y'all came, right? That's not why y'all came. Here you go, y'all. There's the trimmer itself. I like the weight of it. I'll say maybe a little bit heavier than the TI line, not the detailer. The amount of power on this is nice. I like the power on this. I don't know if they all come fully charged or not, but that's super cool that mine did. Like, you can hear the power. I don't think these need to be zero gapped anymore, but these can be zero gapped. Super shiny blade, I like that. That's super clean. Super clean. Nice silver and black. So all right, this is what you're gonna do to zero gap them. Spring is pretty strong, so make sure you hold the blade so it don't bounce nowhere. You're gonna loosen up those screws. And we're gonna loosen those up. You basically want it literally fingernail. Ooh. Fingernail away from the steel blade. Best way to check that, run your nail across the trimmer, the moving blade. Boom, perfect. Tighten those babies back up. All right. Now that there's zero gap, basically put those back on the springs. Boom. And that's how you zero gap it. What's cool about this clipper, is it comes with this little plastic piece that you can take on and off. Super dope. So I think that's nice for room to get around the ears, or them ears that sometimes don't fold as easy as most. Or you could, and if you come into that situation, pull off on the sides. All right, y'all, so there you have it. Supreme trimmer. I'll post a link in the bottom below. Not bad for $40, especially after you zero gap them. You know what I mean? They got multiple colors. I believe they're dropping more colors, but they got like a red and silver one, blue and silver one. I think it's a red and gold one too, I think. Don't quote me. But you got your selections, man. $40, I definitely think is really dope, especially if you want to get like one to set aside for just kids' haircuts. This would be cool, dope, especially fresh out the box. But once you get them zero gap, they be hitting. So go ahead and get you one, man. Also, forgot to mention, comes with this little carrying pouch for protective reasons. It's super cool, man. I didn't see that until I took a further look into the box, but. All right, y'all. So there you have it. Supreme trimmer, T-shape. Go ahead and get you one. I'll post the link below. If you're new here, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so y'all can all be notified when I drop something. Rate, comment, subscribe. Let your boy know what you want to see next. All right, y'all.